Hey you guys, Mollie Design Loves Detail here. You can see that I'm surrounded by a lot of furniture and decor pieces today. I'm going to show you some fun stuff that I've gotten recently from Marshalls.com. Can't wait to check it out. We'd love to have you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos if you haven't yet, so you can follow along with our new build and our flip house, all the projects. Right now, I'm going to be showing you some really cool stuff that I got in person, and shout out to Juliana. No computer today, so I'm sure you'll be happy. Also, it's nice because I have the products here. I did a recent collaboration with Marshalls.com, and so I ordered some items for the flip house and to use here as well. Ideally, you know, I try to show you guys the stuff in person. Sometimes when I'm looking through all products that we are either looking to order or have used in design boards, I don't always have them on hand, so it's a little bit trickier to have all of the information, sizing and all that stuff, but I like to give you as much information as I can. So yeah, I usually use the computer for that, but today we have them in person, so it's even better. Also, you guys, when we did this room, a lot of you had suggested that we put a table between the two chairs, and I agree. I think it needed something. I actually had ordered these cute little tables as nightstands for the flip house, but then I put one here and it's so dang cute. I might have to order another one. This one is just like a flip down front piece. So it doesn't have the drawer, which I actually kind of like, just because drawers can have things that go wrong with them. You know how you get drawers that stick and stuff. So this is kind of nice for that reason. I love the mango wood on it. It's a really cute frame. We'll put some pictures because it's kind of hard to see the whole thing here, but I love that it has the brass frame, and it's kind of a good mix of that, you know, modern but still detail and character with the cane and the mango wood. So definitely, I think, a good blend for that kind of transitional style. One thing that I buy frequently from Marshalls is, and TJ Maxx as well, Home Goods, all those places, they're all sister companies, but they have really good coffee table books because coffee table books can be spendy. They usually have them discounted, and sometimes you can even find them on clearance in store if they have like an overstock of them, a little surplus. So these ones are ones I've gotten recently from Marshalls, and I will link some others. I think this bottom one's sold out, but they do have this travel home one, which is really pretty. And they have the same book actually on Serena and Lily, and it's like really expensive. So definitely a good buy there. And this marble bowl, I'm actually just so in love with this. And each one is unique because it is real marble and it's a good size. You can see that. I think this one's about $39, but for real marble and the size, I felt like that was a really good value. So love that. I love to put a bowl like this on books. And then this artwork, of course, has been here for a little bit, but just in case, because I know a lot of people ask about it, this was a Home Goods find, and I want to say it was around the springtime. One thing that I've noticed with Home Goods and TJ Maxx in all of those stores is that they seem to get similar product lines and items around the same time of year. So I have found the same products like multiple years around the same season, and this, I think I got this in springtime. So I'm hoping that they get more of these kind of paper pulp art pieces in the acrylic frames. They're my favorite, as some of you may know, but keep an eye out for those if you're in your Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I think it was Home Goods for that one, and it was like around $150, so it wasn't inexpensive, but I felt like it was a really good value, because if you buy these online, like I've seen a few of them, they're like hundreds of dollars, $500 or $600 a lot of times. So I thought that that was a pretty reasonable price. This is like the cutest throw ever. I don't know if you guys can see the texture on it, but it's nice and lightweight too. So if you want like a little blanket on your sofa or something for springtime, you know, you don't need something really heavy, but then it adds such a cute pattern. The inside is just the solid cream, and the outside's the stripe with the gray and cream. Like, it is just one of those that is, I don't know, I feel like it's one of my favorites ever. Just adds so much and has kind of like a fun, traveled feel to it. Highly recommend it. It's a good price, as really so much of their stuff is. I mean, pretty much all of it, right? So this little stool is cute. And this one, I'm wondering, because it seems like it's teak, and this is actually like this woven part, I'll lift it up for you. This woven part is like a plasticky type of material. I'm like wondering if this can go in a shower. I am not sure, but that's what I think would be another fun use for it. Really cute as footstools. I'm also wondering if it could go outside. I need to go see if I can find any information. Sometimes the boxes don't have a whole lot. I'm loving how durable this is going to be, even if used, you know, for sure, really durable indoors. I don't know. I'm just curious if it could be outdoors too. But the price is so good on those. I think like $59, and they just have such a cute look to them. You could do a couple together for extra seating. Anyway, another really cute one that has fun detail and a great price. These stools, I'm so excited about. These are the ones I'm gonna use in the flip house kitchen. I love the wood on these. They're like a gray wash with maybe like a little bit of a green undertone, which you know I love. So I think these are gonna be really cool because I have a little bit of that green accent, like gray green accent in like our laundry room cabinets and in a couple other places. So love these. They've got a gorgeous rush seat. They seem really high quality. They look like the ones that are quite similar to the McGee & Co ones, and those are a lot more spendy. I think these are $179, so they're really, I feel like they're just a really well made, like real wood, great value. I am so excited to go try those with the, you know, kitchen. We hopefully are getting countertops any day now so that I can see how this is all gonna come together. But I really love these. I think that they're so beautiful and so well made. So definitely if you are looking for decor and furniture pieces at where you get like, you kind of get a higher end product for a lower price, that's definitely what you get with Marshalls and TJ Maxx and Home Goods, those stores. I mean, I know a lot of you guys know that because you're probably avid shoppers there too. But just for those who may not have shopped there, they really do get great brands, and then they buy, the way that they buy allows them to sell at better prices. They kind of buy bulk from companies, and like I was saying, a lot of times you'll see similar products pop up at some different times of the year. Like, you know, the woven rope chairs that I have shared that I had in my last house, those are always like a sellout item, even still. And it's been, gosh, probably like two or 3 years, and they get them periodically. If there is ever something that you're looking for that you've seen, a lot of times it will come back, especially stuff that sells out quickly. So I keep a close eye on that, and that's you know, where I post in my Instagram stories for restocks. But also I thought it'd be good to share here so you guys can kind of see some of this stuff more in person. And I will include links to a few other recent finds there that I think are great and that you might like, just down in the description. I always include links in the description for you guys to shop, and feel free to leave questions, comments. Let me know if you guys shop Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and what's your best find. I want to hear what everyone's best find is. I'll tell you mine. Mine was in our last home. I'll see if I can get some B-roll footage of this. We finished our basement later than the house, and we had those arched shelves on either side that I designed on either side of the entertainment center area. There were these 2 cabinets that I ordered that I fell in love with, and they were kind of similar style to this. They were like $2.99, so such a good deal, and they were gorgeous. And everybody's like, where did you get those? And so they sold out really fast, and I'm always waiting for them to come back because they were so amazing. But those have never come back. They've gotten similar, but I'm like still hopeful that one day they're gonna resurface. They were so beautiful, and we sold them with the house, so hence the mourning. But at the end of the day, it's so hard to move stuff, and if the people want to buy it with the house, then we sell it to them with the house. And I actually do, like, as much as I love home decor, I try not to get like too emotionally attached. The things that I have attachment to are like the family things that have been passed down, like from my grandma and stuff like that. But like as far as furniture and decor, I try to, you know, kind of not get too attached. But I really did love those. They were cute. So we're celebrating their cuteness, and that someone else gets to enjoy them. Positive vibes only. Okay, so I think that kind of covers for today. We'll have another video coming soon with some of my favorite little decor accents that I found recently as well. So kind of just getting things styled for spring, and a lot of these pieces will be going into the flip house. So yeah, we're getting there. This last little bit has been a hard stretch. We've been waiting on countertops, and it's setting everything back. So hopefully we can get that done soon. It's hard right now with construction. If any of you guys are doing remodels and stuff too, you're probably feeling it. Things are just a weird time. There's almost like not enough subcontractors, and the supply chain issue, like simple things that are hard to get sometimes set back the whole project. So anyway, getting there and so excited. So Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell if you haven't yet. Check us out on Instagram at Design Loves Detail or my website, designlovesdetail.com, where you can sign up for our email newsletter to be notified of new blog posts and things like that. We'll see you next time.